Welcome everyone to the channel. Today, I will share with you a type of organic fertilizer that is especially good for alocasia plants, helping the plant to develop strongly and comprehensively, from lush green, sturdy leaves to bright white, plump roots that spread evenly around the base. Not only does it nourish the plant from within, this fertilizer also promotes the plant to sprout, produce buds, and bloom vibrantly, keeping the flowers long-lasting and their colors vivid for many days. If you are a beginner who loves ornamental plants, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to not miss any great tips on planting and caring for flowers, especially beautiful and finicky varieties like anthuriums. Let's get started. To make this organic fertilizer, I will use tomatoes, a familiar ingredient that is almost always available in every household's kitchen. Tomatoes are not only good for human health, but also a great source of nutrition for plants, especially flowering plants such as anthurium. With its abundant content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, tomatoes will help plants absorb nutrients faster, enhance resistance, and effectively stimulate root development, germination, and flowering. You just need to cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Put them into a blender. Add about 500 milliliters of clean water. And proceed to blend this mixture until smooth. After completely blending the tomato mixture, the next step is to strain out the pulp, keeping the nutrient-rich juice.
I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world.
Now I will add another important ingredient, sugar. Sugar is not only a source of energy for humans, but it also helps plants absorb nutrients better, stimulates root development, and supports the metabolic processes within the plant. You just need to add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the container of filtered tomato juice, then stir well until the sugar completely dissolves. To ensure the solution is gentle enough for the plant, dilute it further with about 2.5 liters of clean water. Method 1. You can directly apply this tomato fertilizer to the base and roots of the caladium plant. Tomatoes are a fruit very rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, essential minerals that help the plant develop comprehensively. In addition, it also contains many vitamins from groups A, B, and C, along with some natural compounds capable of stimulating the production of growth hormones, helping roots develop vigorously, leaves become lush green, and flowers bloom more vibrantly. When regularly cared for with tomato fertilizer, the plant grows very quickly, stays healthy, and has good resistance to weather and pests. Not only that, this organic fertilizer also has excellent water retention capabilities, helping to maintain stable soil moisture, which is particularly beneficial for potted plants grown indoors or on balconies. You only need to apply this fertilizer once a week in this way, and your caladium plant will quickly transform, becoming healthy, developing strong roots, and producing buds consistently. Method 2. In addition to fertilizing at the base, you can also use a clean cotton pad, soak it in a tomato fertilizer solution, and gently wipe both sides of the anthurium plant's leaves, especially the large and mature ones. Cleaning the leaves in this way is not merely about removing dirt, but also a form of intensive care that helps nourish the leaves from the outside. Tomatoes contain many antioxidants and natural antibacterial compounds. These components will support the healing of leaf diseases such as leaf scorch, brown spots, or yellowing leaves, while also preventing harmful insects like aphids and thrips from approaching. Clean air, sufficient light combined with a clean, well-ventilated leaf surface will help the plant photosynthesize better, absorb nutrients more effectively, thereby keeping the leaves always fresh green, glossy, healthy, and not aging quickly. This method is also a way to connect, closely observe your plants, and detect any issues early if they arise. Every month, you should clean the leaves of the anthurium 1 to 2 times, especially after prolonged periods of humid rain, or when the plant begins to prepare for flowering. Such meticulous care will help the plant stay healthy from root to tip, and the flowers will bloom longer with more vibrant colors. Method 3. In addition to root fertilization and leaf wiping, you can also use a spray bottle to directly mist the tomato-based fertilizer solution onto the entire anthurium plant. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. When spraying, you need to spray evenly on both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. This is where the plant carries out photosynthesis, respiration, and nutrient absorption through the stomata, so direct contact with the fertilizer will bring about very quick results. Misting the entire plant not only provides nutrients through the leaves, but also helps wash away dust, debris, and some small insects that often reside on the leaf surfaces. The plant will absorb nutrients directly through the leaf epidermis, thereby increasing metabolic efficiency, helping the plant recover quickly if it is weakened, while also promoting root development and the growth of young leaves. You can apply this spraying method to the plant every 7 to 10 days, depending on weather conditions and air humidity. Especially on dry days or after dusty rain, this will be an ideal method to help the plant retain moisture and naturally enhance its resistance. Regularly combining all 3 care methods, fertilizing the roots, wiping the leaves, and spraying the foliage, you will see your anthurium plant develop comprehensively, vibrant from root to tip, with continuous blooming flowers and leaves that are always lush green and glossy. With these simple yet effective care methods, your anthurium plant will always stay healthy, maintaining lush green, thick, and sturdy leaves. New roots will grow more abundantly, white and bright, and develop strongly, creating a solid foundation for the plant's long-term growth. In particular, the plant will be encouraged to produce buds regularly and bloom with vibrant, long-lasting flowers on the stems, brightening up your living space every day. This video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your loved ones and friends, especially those who also love ornamental plants like you. That is the best way to spread the love for nature and together create a greener, cleaner, and more beautiful living space every day. Thank you all so much for watching until the end of the video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos on the channel.